If the QR code on your Ring camera is missing, damaged, or won't scan, don't worry. You can still set up your device. Start the setup process as you normally would. Open the Ring app, tap Set up a device, and select your model from the list. When the camera opens to scan the code, stop. Do not try to scan the broken or missing sticker. Instead, look at the bottom of the screen for a small text link that says Other Options or Set up without scanning. Tap this link. This opens a hidden menu. Select Enter code manually or 5-digit PIN to bypass the scanner. Now, check your device again. A tiny 5-digit PIN is usually printed on the plastic, right underneath where the QR code sticker was. If the sticker is completely gone, check the original box. The PIN is typically printed near the barcode on the side. Type that 5-digit number into the app. This creates the digital handshake without needing the camera. Next, press the orange button on the device to enter setup mode. Wait for the spinning white light. Your phone must connect directly to the doorbell. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and join the temporary Ring setup network. Once connected, switch back to the Ring app. The setup will finish automatically, and you are good to go.